go give her hell?
Oh yeah.
Hi everybody, this is Travis from Kombustion Motorsports. I'm out here with Craftworks, beautiful southern Utah, right here in St. George. So excited to show you my impressions of the Supercharged Pro R. Stay tuned, I'm really excited to take this bad boy for a test drive.
Can't see over the dash for a test Oh yeah.
Fresh after driving this beast, I'm sold. I cannot wait to get one of these. Craftworks has definitely generated something special here for us Pro R guys. Want more power? Plentiful power for me. I'm loving it. Can't wait to get one. Can't wait for you to get one.